worst of it all is that I can't keep my heart straight. And the worst of it all is that I can't keep my heart straight.
Hi everyone. I make a lot of videos about free internet, Wi-Fi. Many people they ask me question how it works, why you not use it another mobiles, is it work for another mobile? And every time I tell people this is kind of new invention. There's a thousands mobile in the market. I can't do it with all mobile in suddenly, but this is kind of beta testing version, and I'm just trying to make it different kind of ways and possibilities and might be I can discover something more better. So for a while I'm using this one phone. Actually I use in my previous video iPhone also, I use Windows phone also, but the most of the time I use the Android phone. And you know guys, nowadays we all have Android phones. So this time I want to bring out the SIM card, because sometimes some people they doubt and they consider maybe I'm using SIM card internet or something. So this is all magnetic coil system, and here is you can see magnetic coil, and might be you can count the round, how many rounds here. It's very easy. If you stop the video, you can start from here, right here, 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 and here. So this is a magnet. Here's the magnet. If you see right here, you can see here. So these are the things I'm using now. These are the small magnet. So you can see. So these are a very simple thing you can find in the market. This is a magnet right here. Then here's another magnet also, but only these are the small magnets, if you can see here. Yeah. These are small magnets here, 3 magnets, but here is no magnet here. If you see, there is no magnet. So these are very normal things, not special, you can find in the market. So what I'm going to do, I will bring out the SIM card from my mobile. If you see, there's a 2 SIM card option here. This is Motorola. This is Motorola mobile, and 1 SIM card is here, and the 1 SIM card, oh sorry, only 1 SIM card, actually dual SIM card, but only 1 SIM card is here. There's no other SIM card options here. Okay, so what we're going to do, I want to bring out the SIM card first out. If now you see it's on airplane mode, and if I close the airplane mode, and it will be like a SIM card, you can see here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring out the SIM card. Here's no SIM card, so you don't have to worry. It's 1 SD card slot option here, and there's 2 SIM cards, but there's no SIM card already. So now you are make sure there's no SIM card here. So you don't have to worry if the internet will run. There is no SIM card, and it's only Wi-Fi also is off. If you see the Wi-Fi, if I click on it, it will turn on, and when you can see here, it's on, right? But if you see here, you can see a lot of things for download. Let it be. But if I will turn off here, it will be just like a cross sign. If you see, here is a cross sign. I want to let it complete. Okay, so once I close it, you can see all are cross. So Bluetooth is all are off. So anyway, so now we will start our next step for free internet. Here's the SIM card come out already. You can see SIM card is out. So once I bring out, SIM card fall down here. I didn't see. So anyway, here's the SIM card. It's out, so I put it here inside. So here's our phone. I want to close it here. The procedure is very simple. You have to make a magnetic field and disable the Wi-Fi password system, because you know the Wi-Fi is everywhere surrounding us, internet, by satellite, by 3G, and by the Wi-Fi system. But how we can get it? That's the main point. This is a magnet here. Once we stick, this is a 3 small magnet. We use it customized. Like this and like this. Very simple. The distance should be, here's a magnetic field, and here's a coil. I know this is kind of weird and very rare for many people. I just want to show you. I have to make a hot gun glue, but first what I will do, I bring out this. I will use the case, for in case some people they are scared to do, or sometimes they have less experience. So I will recommend, if you use the case, it will not harmful to your mobile. If you have some mobile, like, because everyone don't want to take a risk for their mobile, so I will recommend, if you have case, so first you put the coil here, then it's here, then it's here. Actually this is stick, I don't have to put the glue here, but these two things I should to put the glue here first to make it stronger. This point should be here. It should be not like this or like this or like this, no. The magnet point should be to the coil side. This is a very important. So anyway, let's see our hot gun glues ready. We just put the glue again here, and exactly right, like that. And put it slightly in the corners. Okay. Another part is this. I have to see the balance is very important. The balance and exactly the right place. The placing is very important. You can see here. I will tell you one thing first, that it might be not work on 100% on mobile. So okay. That's all for a while. I put my glue gun on the side. Now if you see here, this thing, okay, we can make it not glue because it can adjust the speed. That's the reason I not make it stick, because sometimes it depends if you move this side or this side slightly, the speed can be variable, same like up and down, so you can adjust. Sometimes might be speed not higher or not on your desired level, but these all is okay here, I hope. But first I want to show you without this. I want to bring out the case first, and I want to show you without case, without this stuff, if I try to use the internet, how it performs. And after I use, first you can see right here, there is no Wi-Fi, no data, no Bluetooth, right? All are cancelled. So first I will open Chrome offline, exactly, right? And then let's try. This kind of pages are already opened in my previous time, so okay, let's try the old pages. Might be can see the preloaded will open, but preloaded also not open. GSM Arena and then yahoo.com, and you can see even I can BBC News or bbc.com, it's nothing opening Chrome, right? Then I want to go to the App Store. So where is the App Store? I have to bring out first. Okay. So now I want to open the App Store. There's no chance, because as you can see, Wi-Fi, data, everything is off here. You can see again. I'm making this video is very detailed. The reason is I don't want people have doubt. So YouTube offline, no connection, source, all useless. So I'm making this video everything to show people speed test. I think these three stuff is enough. Speed test, YouTube, App Store, Chrome, 4 stuff is enough to provide you. There is no internet. So now we're closing all the stuff here, everything off right here, right? So now we will close it. So we will put the case on it. Okay. Right here, we put the mobile like this. So now we will see how everything works on it. See, still everything is in the position. Everything is okay. Again, right here. Right here. See the data. Everything is off here. Everything is off, right? So let's close it, and first we will open Google Play or Chrome. We can open the Chrome. Yes. Wow. Guys, you can see yourself. Now, wow, you can see here is amazing. Even you can see here there is no Wi-Fi, there is no, everything is cancelled, no Wi-Fi, no data, right here. Everything is exactly in front of you, and this is amazing. Okay, let's try another Apple Store. Yes, it's working perfect. It's amazing, guys, amazing. Let's try Apple's Play. Wow, you can see here everything is working very fast. And let's try to download something. Okay, let's try this. Wow, it's downloading 10 MB file, just 2 seconds. Wow, done. 10 MB is like a 5 MB per second speed. And you can see here, it's amazing. And if you check here, I mean, there's no speed, no data, it's nothing, it's just everything is just like nothing. And how is possible? You can see all is just unbelievable. But many people, their level or sometime in their studies is this is a kind of impossible stuff, but it's possible already in front of your eyes. Anyway, let's retry another stuff. Okay, let's see the speed test. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this is a Bangkok. It caches the server, might be from 3G, might be from Wi-Fi. I am not sure about that. The reason is I have no status what kind of data server it detects. So you see 24 MB speed. This is amazing. This is enough for your work. And guys, you can see yourself. That's amazing. And let's go to the YouTube, and like everything is perfect. Wow. You can see. I stay here in Bangkok, Thailand, and you can see here it's work amazing. So guys, I mean, just want to share how this possible. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm going to bring out this, and I want to try it again. You can see. So let's see again here. Offline. Apple Watch, no. Yahoo again, no. GSM, nothing. Okay, let's go back and refresh. It seems like, wow, it's nothing. Nothing. No. Offline already here, you can see. Everything is offline. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. So guys, this time I want to show you something different, something special. Why? Because a lot of people, they ask me the question, is it SIM card is important? How to use free internet, Wi-Fi, satellite data without SIM card? So many times I give the answers for many questions, but I was thinking just make some new video that can explain more better way. So first I want to show you my mobile. Here have 2 SIM cards right now, and what I'm going to do, I want to remove that SIM cards. So here you can see Wi-Fi. When I open the Wi-Fi, you can see the Wi-Fi here. Okay, so suddenly notification come. If I off Wi-Fi and I on the 4G signal, you can see suddenly the 4G here, H. So it's everything. But sometimes some people, they have doubt, or sometimes they want, how can we do without the SIM card? If we do without SIM card, is it work, or we have to put the SIM card or register the SIM card, or we have to buy the package first for internet and after we will get the internet? But I want to show you, so let's start something. Most of the time, if you guys can see my videos, I don't like to cut or edit, so sometimes there's a mistakes for what I talk or something, so I hope you ignore it, because I make a video in one shot. I like to do it, I don't like to. So first I want to bring out a SIM card from here. There's a dual SIM, I think. Yeah, both SIMs are here. So let's, okay, yeah. So here's both SIM card, one SIM 2 and SIM 1. So I want to bring out the SIM card from here, and then you can see there is no SIM card here, so I want to put it back, I think here, right? Okay, that's all. So in my all video, I want to keep my SIM card this side. I don't want it will go anywhere, so okay, I can put it something like that, so you guys can know the SIMs are here. So now in my mobile there is no SIM, so let's back to the case. Okay, this mobile I just use for my experiment because easy. I don't want to have all the time new stuff, but in the future coming, I'm thinking to use some iPhone or different mobiles also. So most of the time this method can work a lot of mobiles, but some mobiles it didn't work. But so far I try in front of you. Now guys, you can see there's no SIM, and if I try to, there's the SIMs. So I just make it close, so it's the quality of the brightness, I mean the video. Okay, a little bit loud, can't see the SIMs, but when I put it back down, anyway. So if I turn on 3G or something, there's no SIM, so nothing gonna work. So you can see the icon here, there's no SIM. So this time I want to do the stuff without the SIM. I want to open the internet, I want to run, so let's try. Some people, they say preload pages, right? This is preload pages, right? Yes, but if I refresh the page, for sure it will not open. This is a preload page, so when I reload, it should be gone. So get some knowledge and you will know this is a preload page, right? But once I refresh, it didn't work at all, no matter what. Now I can go any place, even I can close everything here, all the data, everything. So just clear everything. If I open the page, it can run, yes, but if I refresh, it's gone, right? For example, Apple page, I click on it, can't work. BBC Home cannot work. I just want to explain this thing because I want you guys can see everything very clearly. For example, I open a google.com, something new, Google dot, but you see there's no recommendation coming because there is no internet, so nothing. Okay, so if I close these pages and I start a new page and I open GSM Arena like this, you can't find any page, cannot be reload. Anyway, let's try the YouTube. I want to put on the desktop. Okay, here, no internet, so no connection, you can see very clear. So speed test, this network connection issue mean there is no internet. Anyway, it's clear there is no internet right here, so that's all. So what I'm going to do it now, first I close this, and here, right here. Okay, so I'm using here some magnets, very difficult but slightly you need to use like a hot glue. It's easy, it can bring out anytime, and it can stick anything, whatever you want it. Quick and easy way to stick anything. So I have to put that magnet here, exactly in this side, something like that. It's difficult because it's very strong magnets. Anyway, let's see. The hot glue is hot. Glue is getting hot. I don't want to cut the video, guys, so that's why I want to tell you this is kind of, for most of people, is unbelievable. That's the reason I don't want to cut the video, I don't want to edit. I just like to do everything in one shot as it is. Oh, right here. Okay, so right here. Yeah. Let me clean the surface. Yeah, this is my shirt. So everything is natural here. Okay, glue gun. Okay, so should be this side. Oh, see, this is not easy part. Stick the magnet here is not easy because these are very strong magnets. That's what I want to talk. Okay, let me bring out here. This is the difficult part. actually. This is not easy. Let me make it double. So yes, that's better. At least I don't have to. Yes, this is just for experiment, so it's kind of slightly messy, but I hope you guys don't mind. There's no editing, everything is added as it is. So it looks like a slightly messy. Oh, you see, but before that I need my coil here. You can see how many rounds you can count right here below. Many people have many questions and same questions, and I reply all many my video. If you are watching my video first time, I will recommend you, please go to my previous video. Okay, go to my previous videos. It's difficult. Yeah. You can see the balancing is slightly, have to make it very exactly balanced. Yeah. Balance is very important. Yeah, that's the thing. Slightly messy, but it's okay. This is only for demonstration purpose, so should be okay. So the sims are here still. My video is uncut. Let it be dry. I think it's dry enough already and strong enough. They make some isolation. The coil and the magnets, they have a different theory. If you see our motor, winding, even a magnetic system for touch. If you see, we go to the touch and pay, like a Google Pay or Android Pay. Now is Samsung Pay, like this kind of stuff also nowadays are getting famous, is a touch and pay. They also have a magnetic system. So if you learn more about that, you will know this theory is not difficult. That's why I told you the signal from Wi-Fi is open for everywhere. They stop and controlled by the software. You get my point, right? This all signals, the 3G and 4G and Wi-Fi signals on the air is openly, but they control it from the password by the software. If you know how to make this software disable, or how to, I don't want to say hack, but it's some kind of something like that, so you can find the way very easily. So now let's start. Okay, so again you can see here, so this time let it be right here, and you can see there's no Wi-Fi, there's no SIM card. So let's see again one time. Everything is clear, right? So let's try website, YouTube, and we're gonna try the speed test. So you can see it's automatically start like a downloading internet. Just now they catch something. Let's start web page. Boom. Okay, again we can see it's loading. Okay, we start something new. For example, YouTube. You can see automatically .com. Oh, it will go to YouTube website. I think their app. Okay, this is a website. Let's try it on browser. This is a browser page. Nope. For example, there's a lot of video. I can open any of video just for, but there's a copyright, so I mean I don't want to try stuff. Let's see. NCS. Play some song here. Yeah, this is working very perfect. And let's see, some song going to open. All the time have ads here. Let's try this live streaming. Yeah, it's working. I think I turn up the volume. I think speed is not very good. Anyway, you can see it's working much better. Yeah. Okay, let's see here on YouTube. Before you can see there's no connection, and now you can see here. Search something. Free internet. Here's my video. Some videos, some people they have problems, so many people can see here. This is also one of my video, and I mean you can see everything is work perfect, and it's clear everything. Okay. Hi guys. So I have a lot of videos. As you can see on my channel, there's a free data satellite internet for lifetime. But this video I'm making is a very special kind of video. The reason to make this video is to show you again, because a lot of people they have a lot of questions. Most of the time I use the video, sometimes I don't talk, sometimes I use a different kind of mobile, sometimes I explain that people have the same question, what kind of magnet and what kind of coil, what kind of, a lot of questions. But of course I mentioned already I can't reply, and sometimes I reply with some people, actually many people I replied in my comments, but again the new people they didn't see more comments, or sometimes even they didn't read descriptions, and they continue to ask the same question. So I decided to make another video. This video I want to show you the speed, how normally when you get from satellite, speed is like normal, I think less than 1 MB actually. It's not very fast. But this method I'm going to show you how you can get speed up to 30 MB per second. 30 MB is a much speed for your download, for your upload. But this method is not easy, slightly different, and difficult also. So in this method I'm going to show you how you can get 30 MB speed. So as usual, first method I will use I use a foil and I use magnets here. These are magnets, you can see, very strong magnet. So here's the coil. So anyway, so I want to bring back to the old magnet first, and hold on, I just bring the another magnets. So here I used the magnet before on my other video. Like, this is the small magnets. So the first thing, the method will be the same. Here I use the case and I put the coil here on the back side, like as before, or I can put it here. It's the same thing on the back side. And once I put a magnet here, in my last video what I show, and I want to show you the speed first. There's a 4 small magnets. You can see the difference, this magnet and this magnet, much difference. This is much smaller and less stronger. I just want to that was the old method I used to do. I on the internet, but I didn't show the speed. Okay, first I will show you the old method. Here I close it. I no need to put the glue or something before I use the hot glue, but this time. And then I use that coil, have round. If you see one, this is at around 9 rounds, 9 circles here. This is the same coil. Okay. Let the glue getting hot. Just a little bit I want to use for experiment. Okay. Two, three, four, right? And now, okay, I want to show you first. Okay, I put the mobile in one place here. I think I should put something here on the down. Okay, that's fine. This is kind of old air card, so just use as a stand. So guys, first I want to show you, here's a Wi-Fi connection already. So there's a data connection. I on it, and you can see here is a 4G. I think you can see, might be I little bit zoom, or I will just bring. If you can see here, the Wi-Fi connection and the 4G. when I close the data here is closed and the 4G gone, right? And this is a Wi-Fi connected. I'm going to close a Wi-Fi also. So if you see, here's no Wi-Fi. Now you can see here is no Wi-Fi, right? So you can see, guys, the Wi-Fi is off here, and now I'm going to turn on the website and there's no Wi-Fi, and when I click the website, and you can see here, let's try some website. It's getting on. Let's try some new website, and you can see here, for example, Apple Store, apple.com. So you can see here, whatever, I can open Google or IMDb top 100 movies. So the internet is working, but I want to see one thing more. I want to check the speed. So I want to use the speed test, and I want to see how the old method it work, but what is the speed. So here I want to use the speed test, and let's see the speed on my previous test. And after that I'm going to change my method, and I want to show you how speed test. This speed is not much, as here you can see the speed test, the new speed tester here, the old method that I used to make a few videos for Samsung Galaxy S8 iPhone. So the speed is less than 1 MB. You can see is a very less speed. This method is just sometime might be in your area, but what method I'm going to do, it will boost the speed. You not only get the free internet unlimited, but you will get a much better speed. So let's try one time again here. I hope this time I get a better speed. Can check. There's no Wi-Fi icon, there's no 4G icon. Even sometime communication error, you can see speed is not good. That's the reason sometimes people they complain about the speed is not very good. Sometimes it's work, even sometimes it's not work, but still. So anyway, let's try again the speed test. Maybe this time speed will be better. Not a good speed, but still you can see it's take a little bit time, but the website is just like working. I just click some website here. Let's see it take how long. Yeah, it takes time. You can see it's working, but takes time. That's the reason the speed also is not show less than 1 MB, I can say. You can see the bar here. Yes. So sometimes speed is good, depend on your place, but sometimes it's very slow. So it's not even this time page, but I can try once again. Might be I get some speed. It's less than 1 MB actually. Sometime it's 1 MB or less than 1 MB, but you can use a browsing or some important work, might be it's okay. So anyway, I'm making this video very detailed because you should see in detail way what you're going to do, what you're learning. A lot of people, they say a lot of talk, please come to the point. This that I want to say, if you are rushing, if you have a problem to watch video, you can just close here, and if you're going to skip the video, you can't get anything. You see this time is lesser than before, right? So I'm going to close this, and I want to change the method this time. So you can see no Wi-Fi, nothing, and I'm going to close, bring out. This is the old method, all stuff just like a new way. Now I bring out the coil already, so now I turn on, refresh the page only, don't have anything, nothing. Even the speed test I try, no communication. Anyway, no page, can't even, there's these pages I just now I open already, right? Some people, they have no knowledge and they talk preloaded pages in my previous video, but here why preload pages are not opening this time. A lot of people have no sense. They talk, oh, you open up, it's a desktop is a different thing, there's no you can see. I bring out my system already out, so it's not gonna work anymore as before. So anyway, so guys, this time I'm going to show you my new Discover system. I bring out these small tiny magnets here, and I'm gonna use something different. The coil will be the same, the small magnets out, okay, side. So let me on the hot gun, bring out this. Oh, no problem. Foil is slightly broken, but no problem. By the magnet, what I gonna do it, I just have to put this stuff is as it is on the back. Okay, so here's the status, everything is as usual. Okay, so here I don't know, a lot of people, they are out of knowledge of this kind of, and they sometimes they difficult to believe. I know this is something new for a lot of guys, please don't confuse, and if you have less knowledge or something, don't be upset. Okay, so one coil will be here, and it takes time to do the experiment. It's not easy actually, but a lot of people, they're scared to make videos, but for me, I do it and I don't scare. I think knowledge should be shared. I don't like this screw gun here. Okay. I have to bring out all this. So here I want to show you. This time I'm using a big magnet, not like before. This is the bigger one, much bigger. Measurement again, I know. This time this magnet, you can see here the measurement. In mm. Actually, if you ask me, I think it's around 1 point. This is a 2 here. Start from 1 from here. 1.2. 2 point something. Hold on. Yeah, I think you can see here. Might be my camera is not good in zooming, but anyway. But compared to the other one, it was very small. There's a reason the speed was not much faster. You can see, and should be hole as a coil have hole. So I can explain a lot of things because of some reasons. I don't want internet companies give me any, I don't want to say anyway. So guys, you can see here one magnet is here and one is here. Okay, so I have to hot and glue gun again. This coil should be the end area down to this side, have to touch to this magnet. I try to, this is just for demonstration purpose, and yeah, if you see, this is and you can see here it's going down this area, and here is this head of coil going down this area, and you just need a here a little bit, not too much. Okay, right here. Okay, I recommend all watch this video very carefully, properly. I will put it some here also, because the location is very important. It shouldn't be moved. Okay. So guys, again here, it's very detailed video. Now I'm going to show you how we gonna get speed up to 30 MB. You can check here, right here. Free. I don't want to say free. Actually, nothing is free. We have to work. I'm working here, right? So I don't think so it's free, because you have to get that all stuff. And hold on, I don't want to cut the video. I don't like to edit the video, lot of shots together and mix up. So sorry, my videos a little bit longer, yes, but you're getting something, you're earning something, you're learning something. So this time the coil is thicker and very strong already, very solid. I want to show you from all direction. All have attached by the glue. They make some kind of radiation, you can say, or some, I don't want to use some words that can maybe give disturbance of some people in the YouTube. I mean, anyway, so on it here you can see Wi-Fi and everything. I want to show everything is off here. No data, no Wi-Fi, no nothing. Hold on, here, right here, I think. Okay, so everything is off here. So we are going to do the test now. Let's open. Page is still same, and now we try to load it. Yeah, speed look faster than before. Let's open some new page like a YouTube or some other like Craigslist, Bangkok. Yeah, speed looks faster. Wow. Anyway, just straight GSM Arena. Wow. Desktop website. Okay, very fast. Remember before, and now we are straight going to the speed test. Yes, I hope it will get 30 MB as I talk, but yeah, sometime slightly up and down. I think it's not gonna 29 MB anyway. The coil should be this upload. You can see it's not much difference. Wow, this time we getting speed for, you guys can see, 2970. Let's try again. I want to get it. $30 MB this time. Wow. So you guys can see now this time. So I just want to show you how it's work, and if you see, I can open YouTube. everything works perfect. Free internet, free internet. If I click free internet, I think my video comes on top here. This is my video, here's my video, here's my video. In this video, if you see, I show, I mean, this is the ad. I think it will gonna skip. So if you see, I just showed this method, the speed. Some people, they complain about speed, so I just make another way, and now you guys can see how the speed is. So you can see my other video also. Anyway, and you can see all this side. It's not strong. Should to put again little bit glue sometime. Yeah, I just make a demo for quick. This is easy to, the thing is, I use a case. There's a two benefit for the case. One thing, if you worry for your mobile not gonna hurt for any kind of attachment or glue, or not gonna disturb, and the case will protect and very nice way. But you can use iPhone or any other phone, but one thing, the things have to be exactly same. The coil, the magnet, and anyway, you can ask me. And one thing I want to tell, I am going to give away this small magnet and this stuff, my old stuff. So you like my 5 last video, subscribe and comment, so I will know who is eligible for, and I will just send them. So the date I am not choose yet. It will be 31st. No, 31st. This is May, June. I think 31st May or 31st June. It might be this month, but I will see who is really needy person. I will send this magnet set for, and this, but the speed is not too faster. Might be many people have a problem. So anyway guys, thanks for watch. See you in the next video, and we will see how it's worked. You can see I will bring out some very easy just for demonstration. This is the main stuff. Yeah, right here. Okay, and again we will check now the speed. Boom, no, can see nothing, no speed. Try again, no speed, no network, and there's no website, Apple, no preload. So hope you like the video. I think you guys can satisfy. I try my best make a long video and try to explain everything. 30 MB speed is more than anything, and I am giving you giveaway this set for the people who are needy.